Naim, Zulhaziq bin Hermansyah. My cup matrix is 2022493462.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Noor Firdaus bin Misnan. My matric number is 2022645044.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Aimi Fatini Binti Arifin and my matrix number is 2022859878.
Hi, my name is Aliya Batrisha Binti Noor Azizi. My matrix number is 2022627778.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Noor, Annajatul Qolbie Binti Suhaimi. My ID student is 2022493416.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Noor Fatin Binti Mohd Faizal. My matrix number is 2022846322.
Courseware development is the process of creating structure and engaging learning material to facilitate effective education. It involves designing content and resources aligned with specific learning objectives. Next, Courseware developers collaborate with experts to analyze goals, organize content logically, incorporate multimedia elements, and create interactive components. Quality check and user feedback help ensure accuracy and accessibility. Technology advancements have expanded courseware development possibility, enabling personalized and adaptive learning experience. Other than that, courseware development aims to provide learners with high-quality resources that promote such a full learning outcome. Additionally, IT is the practice of manipulating and storing data using computer, network, and software. IT includes several specialized fields including cloud computing, cybersecurity, database management, network administration, and IT support. Last but not least, IT stimulates productivity, efficiency, and innovation across industry.
I will talk about the statement of problems. Here, we will discuss why lecturer and student need to use ICT in their daily life. First, for adaptive learning. As we know, adaptive learning refers to the use of technology to personalize the learning experience for individual students. Courseware developers are exploring ways to incorporate adaptive features that can assess a student's strengths and weaknesses and tailor the content accordingly. Second, for learning management system, LMS. Courseware is often delivered through learning management system. It provides platform for organizing and delivering educational content. Developers are working on integrating courseware seamlessly with learning management system platforms. It is to streamline the learning experience for both educators and students. Besides that, there is a growing emphasis on blended learning, which is combines traditional face-to-face instruction with online components. Courseware development aims to create interactive and engaging content that can be accessed both in the classroom and through online platforms. Lastly, for mobile learning. With the increasing use of mobile devices, there is a growing demand for courseware that is accessible on smartphones and tablets. Furthermore, courseware developers are focusing on creating responsive designs that adapt to different screen sizes and offer a seamless learning experience across devices.
Explain the product. Now I will show you the product that we choose and how to play the game that we have made using Educandy. To play this game, you need an invitation link from the person who made the game. If they don't send an invitation link, you can access it with activity code. Just key in here the activity code and click play. As you can see here, this is some of the game that we have made, and our topic of the game is motherboard. We also include the subject and notes there. There are 10 questions for each game and you need to answer all of it. The reason why we choose Educandy is because there are multiple choice for you to play such as word search, spell it, and anagrams. Even if every game have the same question, we still need to answer all the 10 questions until it's done. So now, let's start with the word search. As you can see here, we already remember you that motherboard topic is the thing that you have learned before. So before you play the game, you can refresh all about motherboard topic. So now you can click play to start the game. For this game, you only need to find the word that have been given on the right side. Other than that, they also have a timer for you to have a best time so that you can play often to get a better score. Now, let's see how it works. So our best time is 54 seconds. Now, let's move to the second game, namely Spell It. How to play this game? Alright, now click to play. And then, you need to choose the words and guess the letter about motherboard topic. In this game, you need to be careful because if you tap to the wrong words, the chocolate in the right side will decrease. But for this game, they don't have any timer and best score. You can play as long as you want. It only depends on how many chocolate decrease. Alright, now let's move to the last game, namely Anagrams. Click play. As you can see, this type of game is like rearrange the word into a letter. It's such a fun game, and this game have the timer, best time and score, so you need to think fast to get a better score and best time. Now, let's play and see how the game works. As you can see here, if we tap to the wrong words, the score will decrease 1 point, and when we tap to the right words, it will increase into 2 points. So your score will be count on how many words have in the letter. That's how you play the game. And our best time is 1 minute 56 seconds and our score is 173. Alright, that's all of our game. I hope we will give you the best idea to spend your time to play with our game. So this is the QR code that you can scan to play the online games that we have made.
Now, let's proceed to the uniqueness of our product, which is website Educandy. The first thing is Educandy is free to play. The standard features that are available in the website are free to use. User can pay a subscription plan to unlock premium features. Educandy available for iOS, Android and Microsoft. The second is variety of game. Educandy offer tons of games for free. For example, word search, crossword, anagram, matchup and etc. Educandy can act as flashcard or practice for the student. Furthermore, the games are easy to use. From creator's perspective, the teacher can create game that's simple but fun for the student. The interface are straightforward, so teacher can upload data file to make game. It's time-saving activity for teacher in preparing lesson, that quick and easy. Lastly, entertaining while learning. The game have immersive and engaging theme and art design where it will attract students to play while learning. The game are interactive and useful for students. For an example, in the game Spell It, for every correct answer, the icon will smile, while for every wrong answer, the chocolate will be buy.
Commercialization potential of Educandy. So first, growing demand for educational technology. So, this industry has been experiencing a significant growth in recent years, driven by the increasing adoption of a digital learning solutions. As technology continues to play a crucial role in education, Platforms like Educandy offers an interactive and engaging learning experience, have the potential to attract a growing customer base. Alright, the next point is wide target market. So, Educandy can target a broad range of educational institutions, including primary school, secondary school, and even higher education institutions such as the university. Its versatility allows teachers across different subjects and grade levels to create customized activities and making it applicable to various disciplines. Third point is cost reduction. So, teachers using the digital platforms like Educandy can cut costs of purchasing additional physical materials such as textbooks or revision books. Educandy allows the utilizing existing devices like computers, tablets, and smartphones. The need for purchasing additional physical materials can be minimized, thus making Educandy a budget-friendly educational tools. Alright, for the final point is subscription-based model. So, teachers can subscribe Educandy subscription plan annually for the additional feature and premium content to make the student more engaged. This allows Educandy to have a recurring revenue.
In conclusion, creating this application is essential to identifying and choosing suitable application that can support our study. Despite having some flaw, the application can still serve as a fun learning method for students. It can also aid in improving student memory and grades. As we know, numerous applications claim to assist us with our work in education. However, selecting a low-quality application may not be beneficial and may fail to develop our skill and knowledge effectively. Moreover, our application has demonstrated that even complex subjects such as computer system and device can be enjoyable to learn. By presenting the material engagingly and interactively, students can find pleasure in studying this challenging topic. Overall, the development of this application not only addresses the need for suitable educational application but also highlight the potential for learning to be both effective and enjoyable. Thank you, and that's all from us.